It is 2026, and if you feel like you are vibrating at a frequency you weren't built to sustain, you are not alone. We have just moved through the portal of the March 3rd blood moon, a total lunar eclipse that stripped away emotional attachments to old identities. Many of you are writing to me saying you feel beaten to a pulp, exhausted, and unable to find the snapback energy promised by the year of the horse. Welcome to Sleep Awareness Week. In 2026, we have moved beyond the era of everything maxing. We are no longer interested in scoring our sleep or optimizing our dreams. We are entering the era of neuro-wellness, the radical pursuit of nervous system safety. Your phone is not just a distraction, it is a biological bottleneck. Chronic digital overload keeps your brain in a high-alert survival state, literally blocking your intuition. To hear your soul, you must first quiet your biology. The protagonist of our journey this week is the vagus nerve, the wandering protector that connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and gut. In this year of 10, calculated as 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 equals 10, we are building new foundations of structural coherence. But a foundation built on burnout will not hold. That is why we are practicing the micro-rest revolution. Research now confirms that a strategic pause of just 90 seconds can recalibrate your nervous system and lower your cortisol before a total crash happens. Let us begin our deep immersion. This is not a performance. Find your standing awareness. Feel your feet rooted into the earth, sensing the floor beneath you without trying to have perfect posture. Close your eyes if you feel safe. Scan your body. Notice where the tension is stored. Is it in your jaw, your shoulders, your fascia? We will now use vagal toning through VU sounding. Inhale deep into your belly for a count of 4. Now exhale slowly for a count of 8, making a low, steady VU sound, like a foghorn. Feel the vibration ripple through your chest and throat. Again, inhale light. Now exhale sound. This vibration is the proof of human your nervous system is searching for in a synthetic world. It signals to your heart that you are safe. Continue this rhythm. For the next few minutes, we will sit in the sacred pause. Witness the thoughts passing like clouds, but keep your focus on the physical sensation of the vibration in your body. As you settle into this stillness, notice the Piscean fog lifting. You are moving from the noise of the collective to the clarity of the self. We are preparing for a massive shift midweek. On Wednesday, March 11th, Jupiter stations direct in Cancer. If your plans for home, family, or emotional security have felt stalled since last November, this is your green light. Jupiter in Cancer expands through care. It asks, what is enough? Abundance is no longer about more, it's about safety. Then we reach Friday, March 13th. In 2026, Friday the 13th is not a day of fear, it is a portal for radical transformation. With Mars conjunct the North Node in Pisces, your actions are being guided by a deeper, fated purpose. Reclaim this day. Use it to close a chapter that has been draining your energy for years. Before you return to the digital world, I want you to make a commitment. This Sleep Awareness Week, prioritize rest as a sacred act of rebellion. You don't need a retreat, you need a 90-second micro-rest every single day to stay in your own timeline. If you are ready to stop optimizing and start living, leave a comment below with the word reclaimed. This anchors your intention into the collective field. I will be responding to your insights in the golden hour after this upload to strengthen our community architecture. I will see you in the stillness. Namaste.